Today we are unboxing the Zebronics Zeb Duke 2 wireless headphones. Budget over-ear headphones promising 60 hours playback, Yancy calls, gaming mode, and dual pairing. Let's check build, features, and first impressions. Compact color box with bold graphics showing the black over-ear design. Let's unbox. Right off the bat, the packaging feels solid. It's not extravagant, but it's clean and professional. Exactly what you want at this price point. And we're greeted by the headphones themselves, sitting snug in a protective tray. Lifting them out for the first time. Inside the box, Zeb Duke 2 headphones. Type-C charging cable. 3.5mm AUX cable, QR code quick guide, no paper manual. Lightweight at 135 gram with adjustable headband and soft cushioned ear cups for all-day comfort. The ear cups are memory foam protein leather, super soft to the touch. Pairing is instant. Hold power button, connects to phone in seconds. Sound is bass heavy, good for movies or gaming. Gaming mode reduces latency noticeably. Comfortable fit, no clamp. These seem like a fantastic budget all-rounder for someone who wants one headphone for YouTube, gaming, music, and calls. Let's pair it. Power on headphone. Go to Bluetooth settings. Search for Zeb Duke 2 and pair it. Pairing is instant. Bluetooth 5.3 should mean a solid, energy-efficient connection. Zebronics Zeb Duke 2 delivers big on battery life and features for budget buyers. Perfect for calls, music, gaming. Worth it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more unboxing.